वणक्कम। भारत माता की। भारत माता की। Good evening, friends. I am delighted to join this interaction with BJP Karkara from Puducherry, Vellore, Kanchipuram, Villupuram, South Chennai. There is something very special about being with hard-working BJP Karkartas. Their energy, enthusiasm, and dedication had no match. Directly connecting with Karyakarta gives me such joy. I see firsthand the dynamism you all are blessed with. No one can deny that our party is emerging as a strong force in both Puducherry and Tamil Nadu. Youngsters from these places are seeing the BJP as the only party that can fulfill their dreams and aspirations. And this is due to you all, the Karyakarta of our party. I would urge you to keep working hard at the ground level and making the party stronger at the booth level. मेरा बूथ सबसे मजबूत. After all, the party that wins at the booth level wins the elections. I urge you all to take a pledge. मेरा बूथ सबसे मजबूत. Ensure that you are connected with all the people of your booth. Meet them regularly. Share their joy and sorrows. Serve them to the best of your abilities. Friends, I have been regularly visiting Tamil Nadu, and I really like being there. In February 2018, I also had the opportunity to visit Puducherry. I was honored to have paid respect to Maharshi Arvind. Let us now shift to Vellore. Vellore is known throughout India for its leather industry. Vellore has also sent a good number of people in our armed forces. Well, I'm very eager to hear you. Who will speak?
Vellore.
Vanakkam.
Vellore.
Vanakkam. Who can decide this?
Diesel not coming.
Is there anyone who want to ask something?
Okay, thank you, Joy.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
साहब नमस्ते, मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा।
हाँ,
वो- நீங்க என்ன சொல்லணும்? நான் வேற எது-
Pa,
வேற எது பேசுறீங்களா?
Ma, Lavanya. Lavanya.
give it to our General Secretary who is sitting in the first row. Give it to our General Secretary who is sitting in the first row.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I am the beneficiary of the Mudra loan, sir. I am Lavanya from Palegunda. I am the beneficiary of the Mudra loan. I am starting a parlor in the small scale. How I told this loan, I think the first mother feeding to the infant. I like that. I like
How-
that. See,
what amount you got?
50,000, sir.
50,000. What time it take?
Sir, 1 year I closed that amount.
When you applied and when you got the money, what was the time?
SBI, sir.
No, I would like to know that when you applied to the bank and when you got the money, whether it's in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months,
3 months, sir.
3 months. Okay.
Yeah.
And how your parlor is going on?
Well, sir.
So you are earning now, you are supporting your family.
Yeah, sir. My mom and dad.
Is there any another girl or a boy who is working in the parlor who got the job from you?
One person, sir.
One person. So now you become a job giver, not job seeker. So Lavanya, congratulations.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Friends from Kanchipuram are also waiting. Shall we go to Kanchipuram? Kanchipuram is famous for its sarees. We are proud of your skilled friends who are so good at weaving. How are you all doing? Kanchipuram. Who wants to ask a question?
राम राम जी नमस्ते जी
Namaste ji.
I want to ask a question that we want to thank you for announcing the setting up of an AIMS in Tamil Nadu. Education is an important part of ensuring development. For that, what step have we taken to improve the quality and reach of education? जी?
Thank you. It is not surprise. बैठिए. हाँ. हाँ. It is not surprising that someone from the land of the great sage Thiruvalluvar would ask a question about education and learning. When you go among people and talk to them, most of them say, we want our children to get good education. This is a very common thought among people. Hence, you must discuss this subject and tell people about how the education sector has been transformed in the last 5 years, 4 years. Earlier, the focus was only on outlays. But this approach is not adequate. Hence, apart from outlays, we are also working on outcomes. Similarly, the earlier approach was only about teaching. Going a step ahead, we are looking at learning. We are improving the quality of education and increasing quantity of opportunities. In higher education, we have brought in multiple far-reaching reforms. We came up with the National Institutional Ranking Framework that helps rank institutions based on objective and verifiable criteria. This has been made available separately for streams such as engineering, management, pharmacy, architecture, humanities, law, and others. More than thousands of institutions have participated in the exercise, making it the highest participated ranking exercise in the world. We have linked more autonomy for institutions with higher quality. So, the better you perform, the higher the autonomy. This way, there is an incentive on quality. The freedom of start new courses, more off-campus centers, skill development courses, research parks, and any other new academic programs is a key part of this autonomy. But be it the Institutes of Excellence or the IIM Bill, we have shown our commitment to quality and autonomy. While focusing on quality, we have not forgotten the importance of quantity. Just like the aims that will come up in Tamil Nadu, there are aims coming up in different states. Several scholarships have been given to students across the country. There is a never seen before focus on skill development. More than 13,000 skill development centers are training lakhs of youth across India in 375 different kinds of skills. With such wide-ranging initiative in all areas of education, we are sure that the youth of India will convert our demographic dividend to development dividend. While Puducherry people are waiting, let us now go to Puducherry. I was fortunate to visit Puducherry earlier this year. Puducherry is very beautiful and has become a tourist spot. Who wants to talk from Puducherry?
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, माय नेम इज निर्मल कुमार जैन। आपसे बात करने का सौभाग्य मिला, उसके लिए आपका बहुत आभारी हूं। मेरा सवाल यह है कि आप जो कार्य देश बदलने के लिए कर रहे हैं, निःशुल्क अच्छा कदम है, लेकिन मिडिल सेक्शंस ऑफ पीपल्स को लगता है कि आपका गवर्नमेंट सिर्फ टैक्स इन ऑल मैनर एंड ऑल वेज उनसे कलेक्ट करने में ही लगा है और बदले में उनको आपसे राहत मिलने में जैसे आईटी सेक्शन में, लोन प्रोसेसिंग प्रोसीजर में, बैंक ट्रांजैक्शन फीस एंड पेनल्टी में कमी महसूस लगता है। आपसे निवेदन है कि मिडिल क्लास पीपल्स जो आपके पार्टी के जड़ हैं उनका भी राहत में ध्यान रखा जाए जितना उनसे टैक्स कलेक्शन में ध्यान रखा जाता है। थैंक यू सर।
धन्यवाद निर्मल जी। आप व्यापारी आदमी हैं तो व्यापार की बात करेंगे, स्वाभाविक है। हम जनता का ख्याल रखने के पक्ष के हैं और हम रखेंगे, आपको विश्वास दिलाते हैं। चलिए, पुडुचेरी को वणक्कम।
नमस्ते जी।
नमस्ते जी।
मेरा नाम का वो मनवेली पूर्णांगपम विलेज का लेडीज में मैंने मुद्रा स्कीम, आपका स्कीम पे 1.5 लाख रुपया मैंने बैंक में ले लिया।
वाह।
लेने के बाद तो मैंने तकिया बनाने के लिए ले लिया था।
अभी क्या बनाते हैं आप?
लेती हूँ।
आप क्या बनाते
हाँ
हैं?
तकिया।
तकिया
पिलोस।
पिलोस।
हाँ, अभी और वो चेयर में डालती है ना, कुर्सी पे डालने
जी,
वाला
जी,
है।
जी, हाँ,
वो भी
हाँ।
मैं बनाती हूँ, अपना आप बनाती हूँ।
हाँ।
मैं 1.5 लाख रुपए लेने के बाद अभी मेरे साथ तो 4-5 लड़की लोग अभी मैं काम देती हूँ।
अरे वाह।
ये कब तक का मैं अपना आप 15,000 रुपया, एक हफ्ता का 15,000 रुपए का मैं कमाई करती हूँ।
अरे वाह।
मेरा साथ मेरा आदमी है, मेरा लड़का लोग है, 2 है मेरे का, वो भी सिलाई का काम करती है। मैं 7 लोग का तनख्वाह देती हूँ। मैंने एक हफ्ता का 15,000 कमाई करती हूँ, एक महीना का 4,000 बैंक में डालती हूँ। मैं महीना का महीना ठीक से 4,000 ऐसे डाल के अभी तो 8 महीना हो गया। मेरे पास तो अभी 20 रुपए मेरे हाथ में है, 20,000 रुपया मेरा हाथ में है जी। आपको सीधा मिलने में बहुत खुशी लगती है मेरे को। मैं दिल्ली भी आती हूँ आपका मिलने के लिए, तो मैं मिलना नहीं है आपका, अभी देखने में बहुत खुशी हो गया मेरे को। इसलिए तो मेरे को बस मैंने मिलने के लिए
देखिए, आप इतनी मेहनत करके
खड़ा हो गया मैंने।
आप इतनी मेहनत करके पिलो बनाती हो, मुद्रा योजना के लाभ से पिलो बनाती हो, 7 लोगों को रोजगार देती हो, हर हफ्ता 15,000 रुपये कमाती हो, रेगुलरली बैंक में पैसे जमा करती हो। मुझे विश्वास है कि आपकी ये तपस्या है, और जो भी आपको पिलो खरीद करके उस पर सोता होगा उसको भी बहुत अच्छी नींद आती होगी, वो भी आपको आशीर्वाद देता होगा। तो मैं आपका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूं। आपने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मुद्रा योजना की ताकत क्या है ये सबके सामने रख दी। तो मैं आपका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूं। Yes, now we are Villupuram.
भारत माता की।
I am told that Villupuram is seeing a lot of highway construction under the Bharatmala program. Well, I am very eager to hear you. Who will speak?
भारत माता की जय।
भारत माता की जय।
नमस्ते जी। I am Sundar, Kane president. जी, one big question जी. In politics, accusation against each other are common, and we all know Congress party indulges in such things, which is fine. However, of late, something troubling has been happening increasingly. They are trying to discredit institutions for political gain and create an atmosphere of chaos. How can we strongly counter this? Thank you, Ji.
सुंदर जी, सुंदर सवाल पूछा आपने। the perfect answer to undemocratic behavior of the Congress is to strengthen democracy. It is said the sunlight is the best disinfectant. Similarly, information and awareness are important for democracy. So we should keep the people informed about the political parties, their behavior, their attitude, and its dangerous games. They will do their best to spread lies, but it is in our hands to spread truth. सुंदर जी आप बैठिए. They will do their best to mislead people, but it is in our hands to expose them. Tell the people that before every election, they begin to make noise about EVMs, trying to create an atmosphere of doubt against a pillar of our democracy itself. However, after elections, if Congress performs well, they seem to accept the results they have come out of the same EVM. They have continuously attacked the Election Commission. However, when the same Election Commission declares results which they like, they seem to be fine with that. If you thought they only had a problem with the Election Commission and EVMs, no wait. They have humiliated the army, CAG, and every institution important to our democracy. Take the case of the courts. Recently, they questioned a Supreme Court verdict just because they did not like the decision. Earlier, just because they could not threaten the court into doing what they wanted, just because the court was being fair, they tried to even impeach the Chief Justice of India. We often see that when a student comes home after giving exams, he says that the paper went very well. The parents also remain happy and the child is also happy. If the results do not come as expected, the child and parents blame the examiners, the teachers, and also the school. This is the same thing happening in the case of our opposition too. This has to be explained to the people. The people of our country are the greatest force protecting our democracy. The last time Congress tried to threaten democracy, the people ensured they were stopped. Reach out to the people and tell them the Congress DNA is still the same. Just because the emergency saw a big fight back from the people, now they have become more cunning in their tactics. But yet again, India will not excuse the Congress for playing with democracy. Last location for today, let us go to South Chennai constituency. Huge number of women workers are there. I am told that a lot of work is going on for projects relating to smart city and expressway. How is the work on metro rail happening? Well, I would like to hear from South Chennai. How are you in front, South Chennai? Who will talk? Yeah, please.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
My name is Maheshwari, sir, from South Chennai, booth president. Sir, we got 282 seats in 2014, sir. This time we want to achieve more than 300 seats. What is your advice on this, sir? What should we do to achieve this? Thank you, sir.
Well, this is a good question. And I think lakhs of our Karyakarta across the country have the same question. I can say with all modesty that you all matter more than Modi in the elections. I can do any number of rallies, but will not be able to reach as many people as you all can reach. There is a great opportunity for you in Tamil Nadu to show your strength. We have seen how hard work of BJP Karyakarta gave us victory in Tripura. I'm sure that the Karyakarta of Tamil Nadu have it in them to achieve a similar victory. I will give you a simple 3-point mantra to achieve this. Inform, increase and improve. First is inform. Inform as many people as you can about the central government schemes, from housing to healthcare and from sanitation to skills. There are schemes for every age group and section of society. We can organize gatherings of beneficiaries and also urge them to motivate their friends and families to get benefits the schemes. Second is increase. We need to increase our outreach. We should aim to target each and every member of our booth to inform them about the schemes. We should target each and every member of our booth and share how the central government is working hard to ensure the welfare of all citizens. And third is improve. We need to improve rapport with people. BJP Karyakarta stand out among all parties as most pleasant, informed and hardworking. We need to reach out to all groups of people like women, senior citizens, youth, professionals and convince them of the good work done. We need to convince people if they are confused or misinformed. You can take the help of the Narendra Modi app to arm yourself with data and information. On the volunteer section of the app, you will find many other volunteers contributing actively and also compete with them. The merchandise section of the app is getting very popular. You can support your belief with the Namo merchandise. A micro donation platform has been started on the Namo app. It is seeing a huge number of contributions. Can each Karyakarta motivate at least 50%, at least 50 to donate minimum 5 rupees each? This will go a long way in mobilizing support. Friends, it was very good talking to you, talking with such energetic workers gives me also fresh energy. We will continue interacting. I hope all of you work hard to make your booth the strongest. Thank you. Thank you, Tamil Nadu. Vanakkam.
Bharat